Hi all, this is a quick demonstration of Mahxcheckout. Mahxcheckout is an alternative checkout solution for Magento platform. It is completely open source and it uses Magento features in order to build the checkout page. Magento features means you are mostly working with layout handles, template files, controllers, view models, observers, etc. The only foreign party which uses in this checkout is HTMX. If you go to the HTMX site, you will find more details about this JavaScript library. In short, HTMX allows you to send AJAX request from any DOM element. Basically, due to this, you will write very less JavaScript. This means you are basically focusing on template files and backend logic. You are working with PHP most of the time. Since it doesn't include any kind of foreign concepts and stick with Magento native features like controllers, view models, observers, etc., it is very easy to understand by a Magento developer. So the learning curve for this checkout is very lean. Another specialty of this checkout is it uses zero state management. It means that in the front end side or in the back end side, we are not keeping the states. Always the state remains in the database. This makes the complication very less and checkout is very simple and easy to customize. In order to install Mahxcheckout, you need to check out this GitHub URL and you will find the composer command to install the package. Now go to your terminal and execute the command. Now the module is installed in your project. Now we need to run setup upgrade command in order to register these modules in our project. Now the setup upgrade is complete. Let's go to the backend side and see the store configurations from this module. So you will see an option here, Mahxcheckout with general configuration. You have two options here to enable Mahxcheckout. When you enable this, the checkout page will be replaced with Mahxcheckout. And you have another option which is checkout theme, where you can select a Mahxcheckout theme. At this moment, there is only one theme exists, but you can inherit from this theme and create your own theme from it. Now let's go to the front end side and add a product to the cart. I added this product to the cart and now go to the checkout page. So this is a default Luma theme loading for the front end. Now go back to the admin side and select the corresponding store view and let's enable the Mahxcheckout for this store view. Now let's go back to the checkout page and reload this page. You will notice that the checkout loaded really fast. This is Mahxcheckout in action. You will also notice the look and feel of the checkout resembles Luma checkout itself. This is because Mahxcheckout tried to reuse the styling of Luma checkout. Let's fill out the address fields here. Now try to change the country. When I selected country Germany, you will notice that the region is changed. Also the shipping methods is estimated. Let's select a region and select the shipping methods. The order summary section also resembles Luma checkout itself. You can open this and see the details of the product in the cart. Now let's navigate to the payment step. Here in this payment step, you will notice a small difference with Luma checkout, where billing address appears outside the payment method. This is for reducing the complexity we already have in the Luma checkout page. Keeping the billing address outside the payment method makes it more easy to customize and deals with. If you want to give a different billing address here, you can do this here as well. But all these actions and changes happening really fast. This is because all these requests sends an AJAX request to a backend controller and give the response as HTML and replace that fragment to this page. This is a powerful feature of HTMX. We will discuss these features in an upcoming video. But now let's select a payment method and complete the order. Now let's see how Mahxcheckout looks like in Hyvä themes. For this, let's change the store view to Hyvä and enable Mahxcheckout there. Now go back to the home page. You will see the front end using Hyvä themes at this moment. Let's add a product to the cart. This is how the Mahxcheckout looks like in Hyvä themes. We have shipping address, shipping methods, and the order summary section here. It uses Tailwind CSS for styling. Now let's fill an address here. Okay. Select a region and select a shipping method and go to the payment step. Now let's select a payment method and place the order. Now let's see the checkout flow for a logged in customer. For that, let's log in first. Let's add a product to the cart. this is how the checkout looks like for a logged in customer. The addresses are shown here. If you need a new address, you can fill the address here. Let us go for that. And select a shipping method here and navigate to the payment step. Here you will notice billing address is not same as shipping address because we used a new address there. If you want to make the address same, you can click on this checkbox. Otherwise, you can edit here. When you edit the billing address, it will show the options here. You can also again go and create a new billing address. But let's keep everything like this and select the payment method and place the order. I hope you get a good understanding about Mahxcheckout and its features now. In next video, we will dive deep into how Mahxcheckout works and how can we customize it. See you later.